Here we are, old mate Stevo had some new wheels, new pipes on his bike. Old 2016 wide glide, 103 cubic inch. Loves it, sounds awesome, looks good. What do you reckon, Stevo? You happy with the oh, are you happy with me videoing you for a start?
No.
That's alright. We'll just edit that bit out. This is not Stevo and he's not talking. So how's the bike going, mate?
Well, usually forwards because I can't find reverse yet, but it's going alright, going good.
It's a bit like an emu and a kangaroo, isn't it? They can only go forwards, they can't go backwards.
That's it.
Yeah. So you're liking the new pipes?
Liking them, yeah. They sound alright.
Yeah. Big thanks to Scrape for fitting them for you. Oh, that's right, I didn't fit them.
No, it's good being able to hear something without me hearing aids. So at least I can hear me bike now.
No, good stuff, mate. Got the freedom pipes on it. It's really good.
Beautiful.
Reckon, Pete? Good value. Oh, sorry, mate. Anyway.
Okay.
Here we are.
Hi, folks.
Me brother from another mother, he's a fucking madman. Oh, pardon for the F. Sorry for the swear words. You know Pete from his Mad Scientist bloody YouTube channel. So have a look on his today, whenever he gets it done.
When I get it done.
He's got a bit of maintenance done on the big green machine. So anyway, here we are in, where are we? Glen Thompson.
It's called bracket racing.
Went to go for a ride down to Port Fairy and it turned to shit. So we've decided to hightail it back and we went to Hamilton, had lunch. Bloody good feed, wasn't it?
Good feed.
Yeah, shout out to those people. If you ever want to go there, what was the name of the place? Yeah, go there, anyway.
Kelly's.
Caledonian. The Caledonian pub.
Well
good
done
feed.
To those people there.
Yeah, bloody great feed. Anyway, got the bikes out. Got my girl on the back. Yes, enjoying the ride. And we shall continue on. Chicken chow.
Bean.